Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're making chocolate cupcakes. But first, let's make our buttermilk. We get the quantity of milk we're baking with and our lemon. We juice it, sieve it, and pour into the milk and stir properly. While stirring, you notice the milk starts to curdle. But not to worry, the curdles won't show in the cake. After mixing, we set aside and start to mix our dry ingredients. In a bowl, we sieve our flour. We also sieve our cocoa powder. After sieving our cocoa powder, we add our baking soda, not baking powder. Then we add our salt and stir properly together. Now the importance of stirring these dry ingredients is to ensure that all the ingredients we're using to bake, they are evenly dispersed in the cake mixture. When we're done mixing our dry ingredients, we set aside and start mixing our wet ingredients. We add our eggs, we add our sugar, and we also add our vegetable oil. And we stir properly to make sure the sugar dissolves. In between stirring, I add 2 drops of my chocolate essence for flavoring into the mixture and continue to stir. When we're done mixing our wet ingredients properly, we gradually start to incorporate our dry ingredients in parts. We repeat the process until we're done mixing in our dry ingredients. In between mixing the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, we add our buttermilk and stir properly. Our cupcake batter is ready. We get our cupcake pan and start to line it with the cupcake liners. Then we scoop equal measures and pour into the cupcake liner. While scooping, we should make it 2/3 full so we give room for the cupcake to rise. Then we put the cupcake tray into the oven and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Your cupcake is ready, very moist and soft. While the cake was cooling, I made chocolate buttercream frosting to decorate the cake. And of course, I added some gold sprinkles. Now the measurement I used got me 14 cupcakes and a 6-inch cake. The measurement is available in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please click to subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in my next video. Bye!